Hi, wonderful Trivia Math students. Today we're going to sign up for a Khan Academy account. If you already have one, just hang tight and watch the video, and I will address you guys in just a minute. But if you have never created a Khan Academy account before, we're going to click on Learners because you are a learner. All right. So join Khan Academy as a learner. It's going to ask for your date of birth. Let's go ahead and put that in. I'm going to put in a fake one because otherwise it's going to be like, wow, you're a really old middle schooler. So let's see. It is the year 2019. Most of you are 13 years old. So we'll say about 1997. Okay. Now you can I'll click continue with Google and see what happens. All right, that looks good. Continue with Google and just pick your Trivium account and it should sign you in. And okay, so remember Khan can be used by anyone. So it's asking you your grade level so that it can recommend things for you. So we're just going to pick, if you're in Math A, pick 6th grade. If you're in Math B, pick 7th grade. All right. Okay. And the next thing we want to do is click on teachers. So if you already have a Khan Academy account, go ahead and log in the way you normally do. And when you get to the screen, let's select teachers. And then we're going to join a class using a class code that I am giving you in class. All right. So go ahead and enter that code and click join the class. And then let me know that that's done and I can check just to make sure that you are on my roster.